Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change gender in Free Fire. To change your character's gender in Free Fire, first of all open up the Free Fire app and from the main lobby, tap on your username at the top left corner of the screen. Now this will take you to this page. Simply tap on the gear button right at the top right corner of your profile section. This will open up the player info. Tap on the drop down right next to gender and select your gender from the options. After making a selection, you can get back to the game, and that's how you easily change your gender in Free Fire. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Free Fire tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.